Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Embarkation Day from Port Orleans Riverside Resort. We stayed here last night, had a nice relaxing evening before getting on board the Disney Wish today. Just a few hours ago, super pumped. Welcome to the channel. I know this is going to be a little bit of new things for us here on this channel, off the monorails, on our YouTube channel, so thanks for watching. Just wanted to kind of give you an overview of what we want this video to be. Me and my family, we're setting out on our first Disney cruise ever. Been on a lot of cruises, but never Disney. This is our first one. We're sailing on the Disney Wish today. We embarked today out of Port Canaveral, so we decided to stay over at Port Orleans Riverside last night. Just a wonderful time as always. Beautiful resort. If you haven't stayed here, super relaxing, very walkable, very quiet, serene even, if you will. Just super great, you know, with nature. It's just great. But for this video, our goal is to shed some light on some things for the Disney Wish and Disney cruises from a unique perspective, things that maybe others don't cover. There's plenty of videos out there. There's plenty of people talking about Disney Cruise Line and all that. But we want to highlight some of the things that you maybe still have some questions about. I know that we still had questions about when researching our first Disney cruise. So that's the goal of this video. Stay tuned. Take a look. This is going to be, we want to show you our perspective of what embarkation looks like for us. So stay tuned. Hang on. So naturally, first thing you do when you get on the cruise ship, you gotta eat some food, right? Crushed burrito from Donald's Cantina, excellent. So, chilling in Marceline Market. We'll show you some of the goodies later, but so far so good. All right, we just got back to the room from eating. We had the mustard drill already as well. Pretty painless, very simple. Much improved since our last cruise, which was 10 years ago on another cruise line. But yeah, this is good so far. I'll show you the room later. I want to show you how we lived in it with 2 adults and 2 kids. I think that means a little bit more. So we are about to head up to the sail away party. So stay tuned for a little bit of that right here.
Wishes do come true.
Waiting for us on the sea. Can't wait to find out about you with the family.
Just like that, we're off. All right, so we just got back from dinner at World's Marvel. It was pretty good. There was some things that were really good. Some things were just okay on the menu, but the service, fantastic. I can't say enough good things about the service. Just really good people. I feel like we're lucky to have the server we had and the staff there. Really welcoming, and I'm so glad that they follow you around. So we'll get to continue to develop relationships with the service staff, and I think it's going to be a good thing. So, like I said, overall, this is really good setup so far. These rooms are big, big. This is the family ocean view veranda suite here, so pretty good size. I'm telling you, it's great. We are not using the Murphy bed, so that does come into play, giving you a little extra space by not using it. But overall, lots of storage here. Just can't say enough good things right now. So first impression, fantastic. So we'll go see what else is going on this evening before hitting the sack. Good morning. We are almost to Nassau. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Thought we'd be there by now. They told us last night that our time to get to port or to be able to go onto shore in Nassau was about 9:30. Supposed to be 9:30 this morning. So I don't know if we're running a little late, but they haven't said anything. But anyways, I digress. Last night was really good. Beds are comfortable. I will say, I've got the for all the dads out there, I've got the thermostat turned as low as possible, and it does get a little hot in the night. We are breaking into, it's full on springtime now, so it is hot. It's getting hot during the day, in the high 80s. So maybe it has something to do with it, but I did notice it get a little hot in the night, and maybe it's just because there's not a good like fan circulation or something like that. So I'm not sure what the rules are about bringing fans, but anyways, the bed was comfy. We all slept good. Kids slept good. We had a little continental breakfast this morning via room service. Last night was good. We went and saw the Disney Sees the Adventure show. It's a good matchup show. Lots of good characters. If you enjoy a lot of Disney movies, it's really good. If you're a fan of Goofy, I'm not going to spoil it for anyone, but it's a really good show. Go see it. We went to the Bayou Lounge afterwards, had a beignet, had a beer, just kind of sit back and enjoyed. Tried our hand at a little Star Wars trivia that was happening there as well. And that's one thing at this ship is there's something going on all the time, everywhere. It's amazing. So we're going to stay on the ship today. We're almost in Nassau now. We're approaching it. And so we're going to show you what to do on the ship if you don't want to get off at Nassau. So stay tuned. We got a lot to do today. And yeah, let's go have some fun. And if it's a little choppy, I apologize. But, you know, also trying to just enjoy some time with family. So, yeah, I'll see you soon. Also, quick note, if you're traveling with anyone like we are and you have adjoining rooms, you can ask your room attendant to remove the barrier here, and this divider comes out, and you can basically extend your balcony and have some more space. So, there's an extra little tip. Wow, so it's been a crazy day so far, crazy busy, fun things. We did the Incredi course, we've done breakfast, we've done lunch at Marceline Market. We went to the adults area. We dropped the kids off at Kids Club for a while. Went to the adults area, got a nice coffee at Cove Cafe. It was good, all good. So we are going to now enjoy the pool. Well, just went to the Star Wars Hyperspace Lounge. Pretty legit. Say it was good. Had some good fun in the pool. Now just sitting back and relaxing on the veranda. Parked next to a Royal Caribbean ship, the Liberty of the Seas. Show you guys this. She's got some age on her now. But back in the day, I would have been pumped to go on that ship. It's funny. So yeah, we're just sitting on the veranda and chilling before it's time for dinner tonight at where's tonight? Dinner's at Arendelle. So looking forward to that. It's supposed to be a good stage show, a bunch of singing, and a lot of people making fools of themselves and embarrassing their families as they sing off key, but we'll see if we're one of those families or not. But hopefully the food is better than Rolls of Marble. Not saying, like I said, Rolls of Marble wasn't bad, just wasn't great. A lot of things that were better than others. So, anyways, yeah, it's been a packed day. We'll lay in as much as we can of what we did, and trying to put in some footage where there aren't too many people as well. Trying to respect people's privacy as much as possible too, especially in the pool areas on deck there. So any footage you see of those areas, yeah, just kind of planned that way. So yeah, but we're gonna just hang out for now, and we'll see you after Arendelle.
Okay, Mr. Wandering Oaken, let's do this. Grizzly bear, brown bear, big bear.
That was a chicken, Mr. Slaughter. Should we try to do
Let's keep the guessing going.
Here we go. How many seconds?
Pull it in. Panda bear. Bear bear. You all kind of got it, right?
Just got back to the room from dinner, and look what we have here. It is Pirate Night, so we have Davy Jones. Really cool. And we have some gold coins. But just kind of give you an idea of what the room looks like turned down. Here it is. I love how they turn down the lights for you, so you come back to this nice relaxing mood. There's the bunk set up for you guys, just so you can see how that looks. It's nice too because they have a light switch up here as well for the top bunk, and there's a little message here. So, like I said, we aren't Like I said, we're not using the Murphy bed for our party, but this is what it looks like without it. And some wet clothes still drying. Bring some hooks, magnetic hooks. All these walls are magnetic. It helps a lot. So we are heading down to the shops real quick before they close, and then we are going to the deck party for Pirate Night and all the fireworks there. So stay tuned for a little bit of clips for that. Yeah, excited. Let's go. Good morning. Day 3, Castaway Cay Day. We are almost there. It's about 7:15. We're about to head to breakfast so we can have a good start. Basically get off the ship as soon as we are able to when we dock at Castaway. So yeah, we're gonna head up to Marceline Market. Last night was really good. We saw the Little Mermaid show. Wow, really, really good. Again, no spoilers. Can't film in there, so not going to show you anything, but it was a really good show. And Pirate Night, you saw that. You saw the fireworks. That was really cool. The band was really good. Jack Sparrow coming down was cool. The cannons and everything firing off, great. So we're heading up to Marceline Market for some breakfast early this morning, and then we'll head over to Castaway. So see you in Marceline. Cay. I gotta say, first time was pretty good. Spent a lot of time on the family beach, naturally with the kids, but did get to explore a little bit out to Pelican Point. But it was pretty good. Cookies was okay. Nothing special, just barbecue themed, kind of buffet style. So yeah, it was good. But as you can see me from our veranda, look at that water by there, just insane, insane. So yeah, we are back on the ship, just kind of taking it easy, taking a break, showering up, that sort of thing, before we have dinner in 1923 tonight. We'll see what other kind of shenanigans we want to get into on our last night of this cruise. I will say the 3-night, it's been fun, but it's been quick. So maybe have to do a longer cruise next time. But it's been a good experience so far. So we'll see you a little later at 1923.
Oh my goodness. It's midnight. Well,
Well, hello one last time, and it's Debarkation Day. So last night was a whirlwind, getting everything ready. It's get your backpack early. That's all I got to say to get them set out. So had a good night though. It's Debarkation Day, sad day, but we still get to go to Disney today. We get to stay at Wilderness Lodge at Boulder Ridge. As you hear everyone behind me, loading, unloading the ship. It's a busy day for everybody. Sad day, but it's been a good trip. So one last breakfast, 1923 this morning. We say goodbye.